This is her. That better? I'm not sure if that makes sense. Hi everybody, this is part 2 of making the solar eclipse dress, and I have been preparing everything so I can just sew and then work on the applique today and the overall artwork. So I'm very excited to finish this dress. As you kind of saw earlier, I finished preparing the straps of the dress. I pretty much paired all of the bodices. I put interfacing on all of them. I'm pretty much left to just sew everything, so that's what we were gonna do. We're gonna sew the whole entire thing together first and then put the applique later, because I want to make sure that the placement of the artwork is in the right spot. Time to put the main bodice and the back bodice together. Fabric. I sewed everything together, but I still have to understitch the lining for the top, and then I have to put the zipper. I haven't put the zipper yet. Look at this strap, it's very long. That's exactly how I wanted it, but this is how it's looking like so far. It's looking really good for a base. It's looking fantastic. So I'm gonna put the applique probably right over here, and I'm trying to position it like this. I'm not sure if I want to iron it and flatten it like this so that you can kind of see that better. I'm not sure if that makes sense, if I'm making sense. Everybody, it's 12 a.m. in the morning currently and I'll show you the time on my phone. I would like to finish at least pinning the sun rays. I already edge stitched everything just so I have a base when I stitch it again on the skirt. So yeah. This is gonna be the last thing that I do tonight, and then I will continue tomorrow. Yeah. I also want to sleep up. I'm a bit tired. I've been going at it the whole day. Let's do this. Let's finish this, and I will see you tomorrow. All the sun rays are sewed in place. I just need to find the right placement on here and then pin it and then go ahead and sew it on. When I tried it on last night, it was a little tight on the bust area. Hopefully it won't shrink on me because I did not pre-wash this fabric. So remember to pre-wash your fabric, you guys. Okay, so I finished sewing on the sun. I'm gonna be taking a little break because I totally underestimated sewing this on. It took me maybe like almost 2 hours. I'm gonna come back and then actually maybe work on doing the understitch for the top. Sewing on the moon, which is right here. Now I'm not sure if I want to put the face on it. That would be really good, but I kind of like the sleek. You know, there's something like sleek, just sleek about this. We shall see how that's gonna go. We're almost done. So that is what it's looking like. I'm not sure what to do yet, if I want to like fill the whole thing or not, or I'll just leave it like that, but I kind of like that look, and I'm actually gonna hair dry it just so it could dry faster. Hi everybody, so I just wanted to show how it looks like in the daytime. I didn't realize how good it actually looked. In the daytime, I thought it would be better during nighttime, but actually daytime is a lot better. But here it is. Let me show. Kind of like the... I still haven't hemmed it. I still have to hem it, but... Oh. This is her. And let me do a 360. There you go.